June 6th, Mountain Air. The Bible reading is from Philippians chapter 2, verses 1 to 11. Verse for today. And being found in appearance as a man, he humbled himself by becoming obedient to the point of death, even death on a cross. Philippians chapter 2, verse 8. My husband and I live in a state that has no mountains. So every summer, we like to go camping in an area that does. We love smelling the crisp air, cooking outside in the cool mornings, and looking at the beauty of the mountains. However, many of the shopkeepers and restaurant owners seem oblivious to their surroundings. They are busy with customers and don't seem to appreciate the beauty they have to enjoy. After we've been Christians for a time, we tend to forget what Christ has done for us. We take His love and blessings for granted. Paul described what Christ gave up in coming to die for us and added that we should have the same attitude of giving toward others. Thank Christ today for His love. Amen.